early education, what is the importance of early education, childhood education. On this basis, Mr. Hyder Vali Sahib is giving the importance. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is given the importance of this age education. Alhamdulillah, he's taken this mission and going forward, Allah will help him and guide him, and Allah give the strength for our Hyder Wali, our leader. Allah protect him. Allah will, mashallah, give a full strength. Jazakumullah khair wa ahsanal jaza.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Let me know what is the concept of Brainy Star.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Javed, the Academic Director of Brainy Stars International Holistic Montessori. Let me tell you first thing that the Brainy Stars International Holistic Montessori was started in the year 2013 by partnering with the ABNI schools of Malaysia by our Honorable Chairman Dr. D. Hyder Wali sir. From the year of inception, within 2 years, we were successfully able to open branches across Bangalore. We have 4 branches in Bangalore, one in RT Nagar, HBR Layout, Electronic City, and in Jayanagar. Within the 3 years of our inception, we have spread across the 8 states in India. We have more than 11 franchises which are active now, which are running successfully as of now. Our vision is to nurture the leaders of our future by imbibing in them the Iman, the Taqwa, and knowledge. With these 3, the child can easily achieve success. Along with that, our mission is to establish 1,000 Montessori schools across India, including 100 international schools. By 2030, we are aiming to start one global university as well. Having said that, it is not only our goal to just to start with the preschools or Montessoris. It is to strengthen the early childhood care and education system within India. That is why our Honorable Chairman prioritized to go with Montessori education system in his preschool moment. Having said that, we are not just following the Montessori methodology which is there. We have improvised the Montessori methodology as per the requirement and need of the child of today. We are going with integrated holistic Montessori system where we are integrating the Islamic values, ethics within the Montessori presentations wherever they are required. Aiming to groom the child not just to provide education. By grooming the child, by providing him with tarbiyah, we want to bring transformation within the families and through families within the entire society at large. In this noble mission, as a part of this noble mission, our Honorable Chairman Dr. D. Hyder Wali sir is starting a 100 days journey to propagate this early childhood education system. For this, our Honorable Chairman Dr. D. Hyder Wali sir will be visiting your states. You have a great opportunity to start with your own school for just registration fee of 10,000 rupees, where you will get all sorts of teacher training, all sorts of support for setting up a branch, and all sorts of digital collaterals for marketing purposes, as well as you will be having access to the branded materials which are required to start the school. If you see in the market, there are many brands such as Kidsweek and Eurokids. They are charging lakhs of rupees just as part of license fee, or you can say as a royalty. But we are not here to do business. See, we are not here to do business. With this 100 days too, we are trying to propagate the importance of early childhood education, and we are envisioning at Brainy Stars to revisit the era of Islamic golden age that happened between 7th century to 13th century. We want our students to become contributors to this world with their innovations and great scientific knowledge in future. Come join us in this mission, and you also propagate about the early childhood education with us. Thank you.